Every time I'm in the street, I hear.
Hiya! Welcome to today's tutorial. Hope you guys are doing okay. We're first going to start with closed mouth teeth. Pick out the color of your skin outline. Switch your drawing tool to polyline and make sure the film of current color is off. Change your pen to felt tip pen soft. With the polyline drawing tool, all you have to do is click onto the screen and click onto another part of the screen and it creates a line. The shape of the mouth should be a parallelogram. If I said that wrong, don't point it out. English is bleh. The shape and size of the mouth honestly depends on your face proportions, but I'd recommend having it medium size and not too elongated. With the new layer, create a creamy sort of colour. Make sure to switch off your drawing tool and switch to bucket and just fill it in. If the colour is too bright, you can always put down the opacity and try to adjust the colouring. To keep your layers nice and neat, create a new folder. With folder, you can move all the layers that are in it at the same time. When moving and scaling your folder, make sure that all the layers in the folder are visible. In your folder, create a new layer, pick the color of your skin outline, then reduce your opacity down to 40. Switch your pen to dip pen hard and draw the lips. A lot of the time I see people just draw lips in a straight line. Do not draw lips in a straight line. Make sure that the top lip is curved. Because my character is black and dark skin, for the bottom lip I'll be using a dark brownish pink colour. For drawing with lighter skin, you can use a pink or brown colour, however it's not always necessary to draw the bottom lip. Great, now we're done. Next, let's do closed mouth lips. Pick the color of your skin outline. Adjust your stabilizer the same way that I'm adjusting it. Throughout this part, I'll be adjusting the stabilizer quite a bit as well as the force fade, but just try to bear with me. For this, the pen that I'm using is dip pen hard. With stabilizer and force fade, it's honestly just experimenting until you're happy with how the pen looks. Draw a slightly curved line. Because you and I are both lazy and perfectionists, duplicate the layer then invert it. Your lip line should be looking slightly like a 3. Elongate the lip line. With liquify pen in the curved part of your lip line, push it down until the lip line in the middle is thin. I don't know why, but that bit was so hard to say. In the corner of your mouth, draw a ball that's slightly curved up. Create a new layer and put it beneath the lip line. Draw the opacity down to 45%. Switch off your stabilizer and force fade and draw the lips. When drawing mouth like these, I prefer not to do the bottom lip. For me, it looks a bit messy, however, you can do whatever you like to do. Organize your layers by putting them into folders. And that is the second part done. Now we're going to do the open mouth. For the open mouth from Gacha Club or any kind of other gacha app you use, I always recommend you use a base. With liquefied pen, just draw and adjust the mouth however you want it to be shaped. Take note that when drawing open mouths, the corners should not be pointy and they should be well rounded. After you finish adjusting your base with liquefied pen, put the layer opacity down. Create a new layer, then pick the colour of your skin outline. Switch your drawing tool to Bezier Curve. Bezier Curve is a drawing tool that's similar to Polyline, however with this, it's in the name, you can curve it instead of drawing straight lines. Draw and follow the outline of your mouth base. A small tip that I recommend doing is when drawing the dots, make sure that they're close together instead of doing long dots that are far across each other. There's better control in the outline, and for me it looks neater. After you finish drawing the outline of the mouth, you can just hide the layer underneath. If the outline of your mouth is too thin, duplicate the layer, go on to move, then go on to zoom, then click the minus so it will shrink in. Create a new folder, then put all your layers underneath to make sure that it's all nice and neat. Underneath everything, create a new layer, then put the opacity down. Pick the colour of your skin outline and draw the lips. When doing wide expressions with the mouth, make sure that in the corner of your mouth that it shows the expression. Since the mouth is wide and this is a more angry expression, in the corner we're just going to draw a slight curved line. This is to show that the face is being stretched out back. And we are done with the open mouth. Now for the final one, we're going to do closed mouth smile. Pick the colour of the outline of your skin. Switch your pen to dip pen hard. Adjust your stabilizer and force face settings to the one that I have. Switch your drawing tool to line. Draw 2 lines facing downwards. Switch off your drawing tool as well as force fade. At the bottom, draw a curved triangle. Make sure that it isn't drawn all the way across the line, leave some space in the corner of the mouth. If you need to, don't be afraid to redraw or adjust the mouth however you need to. Create a new layer, then put it underneath the outline. Choose a creamy kind of colour, then fill it in. This is going to be your teeth. In the corner of your mouth, draw a ball that's curved upwards. Create a new layer, then put the opacity down to 45%. On top, draw your lips. Again, because I like drawing fangs, with the outline of your mouth, just draw a small triangle in the corner. Create a new folder to organize your layers. And we are done. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, don't forget to interact as much as you can. Your interactions help keep this channel alive. If you want the chance to be featured in one of my videos, don't forget to post your speed paint of this edit on #editingwithGlowwyangel. If you have any suggestions or anything you want to see in my videos, don't forget to comment and I'll do my best to get to you. Have a good day. I love you. Bye.